Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 7th of June. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. And locally, we saw our GDP numbers come in strong at 1%, and the Aussie dollar reacted accordingly, with the Aussie USD breaking through that 76.50 handle and consequently making our chart of the day for yesterday void, since we broke on the upside and not on the downside. Let me show you what I mean exactly by that. Essentially, this was the candle for yesterday, and what happened was we needed this candle to break in this direction. But consequently, if you go and have a look at a chart, you will notice that the candle basically ended up like this, up here breaking the high side, which basically made it void and not valid for us. So not to worry. Let's see what we have in today's chart of the day. From the US, we saw the crude oil numbers come in at 2.1 million barrels. US dollar having a mixed night, stronger against the yen, weaker against the euro, but still, basically, I think everybody's just positioning themselves in preparation for FOMC announcement next week. Finally, the major news from last night from Canada, we saw the trade balance come in at minus 1.9 billion. That was better than the forecast, and it gave the Canadian dollar a burst of energy, and that's coming ahead of the job numbers, which are due out on Friday. So look out for that one. Okay, time for us to now have a look at our chart of the day. I've already spoken that yesterday's chart did not trigger. Incidentally, we have two open positions. Both of them have hit their targets, so go and have a look at the stats on that one. Aussie, New Zealand, and the other one was the Euro USD. But today's chart of the day is the Swiss yen on a daily time scale. As you can see from the chart that I'm showing you, essentially the market's moving down. It's come back and bounced off this area, and it's come back here. It's not the classic definition of what we would call a double top, because there is activity on the high side, but nevertheless there's a number of positive candles, in blue candles in one direction. We are here. Let's wait and see if we can get a setup. If we do get a setup, I would be happy to go ahead and trigger on this one. We will find out tomorrow. So what we need is today's candle, the little one here, to remain as an inside candle. Should it do so, then we have the opportunity to trigger on the down direction for tomorrow. So there you have it. CHF JPY on a daily time scale is our chart of the day, the Swiss yen. Alright, let's have a look at what's happening in the session, which is about to kick off. We have at 11:30 this morning locally from Australia, we have our trade balance numbers are due. And then the only other significant news for the session is at 1:15 in the morning from Canada. We have Governor Pollock will be speaking for the Bank of Canada. So there you have it. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. But most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I will speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.